Hello everyone. Welcome to GreenAds Global's official YouTube page. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating your very own embedded login on our platform. Let's dive right in and unlock the full potential of Telinfy together. Before we start, don't forget to log into your Facebook account in another tab. Please make sure that you have your Facebook with Business Manager because all the registration is done through the Business Manager. Tap on Create Channel. Type on your desired name for your channel. Then choose which platform you wish to work on. Then select the channel group. Click on Next. Then enter the name of the app without any spaces and special characters. The app name is a reference which we keep at our backend. Like if company is GreenAds Global Private Limited, app name will be GreenAds Global. Click on Create. Then click on the Meta logo, which will then transfer you to the embedded sign-up page. Then you will find a Continue with Facebook option in a purple box. Click on it. Then it will show Continue as whatever profile you have logged in on in another tab. Click on it. Then click on Get Started. Then under the Meta Business account, select your Business Manager. Then proceed and click on Next. Then under the Choose a WhatsApp Business Account, make sure it's selected to create a WhatsApp Business Account. Then under the Create or Select a WhatsApp Business Profile, make sure that it's selected as Create a new WhatsApp Business Profile. Then click on Next. Then type in your WhatsApp Business Account name. Please enter your display name. Make sure that the display name is associated with your website and the name which you have in your official registration document. Choose the appropriate business category. Then proceed to add in your business description. Proceed to click on Next. Then add in your company phone number. This is the WhatsApp number you have to configure. Choose how you want to get your OTP. Then click on Next. Type in your received OTP. Click on Next. Then proceed to click on Continue. Then click on Finish. Then open the Embedded tab. Then comes an option where it asks you to select your WhatsApp business account. Select on the given WhatsApp number and click on Confirm. Then proceed to click on Confirm. Wait for a few minutes. Congratulations, you have successfully created your WhatsApp business account successfully. Please contact your agent right after this step to help you prevent any miscommunication. Then proceed to your Telinfy tab and then click on Next. Then scroll down and click on Create Channel. Then click on Create Channel. Now refresh your page. You can see that a WhatsApp channel has been created. And that's the end of the video.